What's up, YouTube? This your boy XYZ Dragon 23. This video is for you motherfucking Saint fans, especially Big Gravy. Talking about us Bulldog fans should make another video. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make all the videos we want to, player. Don't worry about that. You just worry about the fact that you stay in Louisiana and you ain't an LSU fan. You're a fucking Alabama fan. But we're not even gonna get on that. We're not even gonna fucking get on that. No, we don't have time for that. And your team won, okay, and we can't motherfucking wait to see you bitches in the motherfucking playoffs. I pray y'all win all y'all games from here on out so we can see y'all motherfucking ass, because we will beat that ass. Y'all not only took a picture on y'all field, but from when I hear you pissed on it, oh hell no. We are going to beat that ass, Gravy. And when we motherfucking do, I want to see your motherfucking crow video. I want to see you praise us. You wish you were a Falcons fan, Gravy. You don't even want to be a Saints fan. You're only a Saints fan because you stay in New Orleans. You don't want to be a Saints fan. Who does? But it's alright, Gravy. You can have your fun. Rest assured the Falcons will win that Super Bowl. And when we do, I promise I want to see you crow up. XYZ Dragon 23 out.